Hey, welcome back to Cooking Around's channel. I've been away for a while. I was on holidays for a couple of months, and you know, the weather was really hot. So guess what I made? You're not going to believe this. Another diet soup recipe. Cold beet soup. All natural, all good for you, and it will help you lose the weight and keep cool. So let me show you how to put this together right now. Once again, look at all the goodies I have here. We're going to use beets, but I'm going to use beets that are already shredded from this jar, and kefir, and look at this, dill, fresh dill. This is really good for you. And look at this, these are beet leaves. Now here's the beet, and we're going to be use these leaves. Trust me, they're really nutritious and really good. This is going to be an awesome soup. So let me show you exactly how to put this all together in less than 20 minutes. Now grab your blender, and I want you to add now 2 cups or a little bit more of buttermilk. Now try to use low-fat buttermilk and pour it in just like this. And now some of the stems from the fresh dill, I want you to take them and I want you to put them inside. Trust me, this is going to make it absolutely awesome. Now here comes the oomph, about 4 cloves of garlic, just like that. And I want you to take the seeds out of 1 cucumber and put that inside. 1 tablespoon or more of apple cider vinegar. Okay, now here comes the beets. Now I'm using the pre-cooked in the jar type. You can make it natural and shred it yourself if you want. And I want you to add 1 cup. You can add a little bit more if you want at this stage. Okay, we don't want this to really be bland, do we? So let's just add a little bit of salt. And here I'm using some kosher salt. Just a little bit, just a sprinkle. And to soup it up, fresh ground pepper. Here, add as much as you want. Just make your day. Now I want you to take your beet leaves and make sure they're washed. Take a little bit of the stems off the bottom. They will make it a little too bitter, so you don't want it. Now cut them up and just put them in the blender. Just like that. There's nothing special, there's no magic here. And once that's done, I want you to cover it, and I want you to let this go on low, just like this. Okay, that's been going for about 1 minute. So let's take the top off. Let's get our kefir, or you can use some yogurt if you want, and I want you to add about 1.5 cups. Let's try to keep it low fat if we can. It depends if you can find it or not. So we put that all in there, and now let's close it again, and now let's spin this on high for at least a minute until it's all liquefied, and I shall be back. Okay, there goes another minute. Just take a look at this. Oh, is that ever awesome? Now let's taste it and see exactly the way you want it or I want it. Now just take a little bit like this, taste it, and now for me, I want to add a little bit more salt, just a little bit more. It's okay, it won't hurt me. And I want a little bit more acid, so I'm going to add a little bit more apple cider vinegar. And that depends on you. Now at this point, you can add more herbs if you want. Just go ahead and make it your way. So let's put the top back on. Let's give it just a very quick spin just to blend this in once again. And here we go, and basically this is what we want. Now let's grab a bowl, and I'm using a clear bowl because I want to show off all the colors. And now let's just pour everything inside just like this. Now are we finished? Not yet. Let's add 2 or more tablespoons of fresh chopped chives and 2 tablespoons or more of fresh dill. Now at this point, I would recommend use everything fresh. You can use dry if you want, but this way is better. And half a bunch of diced radishes. Does that ever not look good? So now here comes a chopped cucumber that has been peeled, and we add that to our mixture. And now what we do, let's just get this incorporated and stirred just like this. Does that not look great? So as easy as this recipe is, this is basically it. So now it has to go into the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours before serving it. So let's cover it, and I shall be back with the taste test. See you soon. And here it is. Don't forget to leave a little bit of dill in the radishes just to put on top, just to decorate. Now take a look at that. This is absolutely refreshing and cooling on a hot summer's day. This is also perfect for a barbecue. You're outside, it's hot, and this soup, you just appear with this and just watch everybody gobble it down, and it's really good for you. So all I can say now is thank you very much for allowing me to show this recipe. I hope you and your family enjoy it, and please keep those comments coming. And now it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around, and I hope to see you again on my next cooking recipe.